Horns up and welcome to Headbanger's Kitchen. Today we're making an easy Thai curry recipe. Baby corn, mushrooms, bell peppers and broccoli are my vegetables of choice. Chop them up and our vegetables are ready, and you can use any vegetables you like. Now don't be ashamed to use store-bought paste. Green or red, either will do. Did you know that green curry is spicier than the red curry? Anyway, I'll be brave and use the green one. For this recipe, I will butterfly the raw chicken breast, which means I will cut it horizontally at the thicker part and then flatten it out, because of which it will literally cook in 3 to 4 minutes. I kid you not. Anyway, season it with salt and pepper on both sides. Pan on the stove and then lay that chicken breast skin side down when the pan is nice and hot. Now let it cook for about 2 minutes. If you look closely, you'll see the pink flesh turning white around the sides of the bird. That means it's cooking and it's now time to flip the breast. So I do flip it and just look at that gorgeous crust we've got on it. And now literally 90 seconds and this breast will be fully cooked. You don't need the thermometer for this one. Remove it from the pan. Now add a bit more oil. Add in my curry paste, about a tablespoon, and then I'm going to fry that for a bit. I will now add in the mushrooms, broccoli and corn because those take the longest time to cook. So saute them for 30 seconds. Season with salt before deglazing the pan with water. I will use the spoon to scrape the fond at the bottom of the pan, and that's all those brown bits at the bottom where all the flavor is intensified. Anyway, cover it now and cook it for about 2 minutes. Pop the lid open and in go the bell peppers, then the coconut cream or milk, a couple of splashes of fish sauce and some honey or stevia to sweeten depending on what diet you're on. And now let it simmer while we cut the chicken. I cut the breast into strips and look how perfectly cooked that is, my friends. Just look at it. Now I cut the breast into small cubes and then add it back to the pan. Give everything a good mix before I finish it with some fresh basil. And then of course you give it the final good mix. And our super easy, healthy and delicious Thai curry is ready. Now since I'm not on any particular diet, I eat mine with jasmine rice. But once again, if you are keto or low carb, cauliflower rice is your friend. Click on the I button to learn how to make it. Anyway, enough jibber jabber, time to taste. Alright folks, it's time to taste our chicken Thai curry. Let me dive in. Oh yeah. It's got a bit of a kick though. A little spicy. I should have used a little less curry paste to make it slightly less spicy, but it's packed full of flavor. Delicious. It's not like inedibly spicy, but you know me, I'm a spice food, so I would have liked it a little less spicy. But still so good. And it's so healthy. There's so many veggies, there's chicken, there's rice, yum. And of course if you're keto and of course if you're keto, don't have regular rice, have cauliflower rice. But yeah, this dish is a winner if you ask me. Anyway, till the next episode, cheers and keep cooking. This food has been brought to you by the wonderful people who support me on Patreon and here on the YouTube channel memberships. If you would like to join the Headbanger's Kitchen community, consider subscribing to my Patreon or to the YouTube channel memberships. Anyway, enough jibber jabber. Oh yeah.